Next children, in the fourth main, we have subtract the following. This also you already know that, right? Know how to subtract the polynomials. So here, first question is 4a minus subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. I said you clearly, whatever the terms or expressions written from, after from, that should be written first. So from this we need to subtract this, like this it is, okay now. So here if you observe method 1, method 2, two methods I have written. What is this method 1, method 2 means? Previous method which we learned was, see, as we do addition, one below the other expression we write, change the sign of the second line. That is one method. That we should do now. Today I will be teaching you one more method. So method 1, that is one more new method is method 2, which you already know, that is not something new. Whichever is easy for you, you can follow children. I am teaching you this method too because many of your friends asked me that they are feeling difficult, they did not understand the subtraction. So I am teaching you one more method, whichever you want you can follow. Now, as I said you, after from whatever the expression is written, that should be written first. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 is the second expression. From this we need to subtract this. If at all the terms are given in the same order of the variables, then you write it as it is. If not, you have to rearrange and write one below the other. So this should be subtracted from minus 4a. Why will I write minus 4a? Because I am subtracting, no. So minus 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Like this usual method of subtraction we are doing by writing one below the other. Here, since we are subtracting the first expression from the second, we wrote minus sign here. The question is, did we apply this minus sign to whole expression, all the terms? No, we did not. It is wrong, no? If you are applying minus sign to one number means it should be multiplied with the sign of all the numbers. So, here plus 4a was there. Since I am subtracting, here I wrote minus 4a. This is perfect. However, second term minus is there, minus only is written. It is wrong. We need to change, no? So, only I taught you to change the sign of the second line. This minus, fine, no problem. It was plus, so we made it minus. Here onwards, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and plus becomes minus. Always children, whichever sign you are changing, the new sign should be written within the small brackets. And that sign you should apply to that number. Minus 7ab now became plus 7ab. Plus 3b became minus 3b. Plus 12 became minus 12. Now let us simplify. Here for plus, no, sorry, for 12 no sign is there, means it is plus 12. Plus 12 minus 4. So if I write here plus 12 minus 4, one with plus sign, one with minus sign means obviously we know we should subtract. 12 minus 4 is clearly 8. With sign plus sign. Why plus? Because 12 is greater than 4 and 12 is having plus sign. So this is plus 8. I said you don't touch the variables. Write 8 as it is. Plus 8a. Minus 9 plus 7 is there. Minus 9 plus 7. 1 plus 1 minus means again subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. Greater number sign means minus 2. So it is minus 2ab. Plus 5 minus 3. Plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Greater number sign. So we got plus 2b minus 3 minus 12. Here till now we had one with plus sign, one with minus sign, so we subtracted. Remember the sign convention, recall it. Minus 3 minus 12. If at all we have to add the numbers with both the numbers are having minus sign, what you need to do is minus minus means you should always add the numbers. So 12 plus 3 you should do, which is 15. but put the minus number sign. So if at all I am quick and you are not following this, please go back to the video and of what sign convention and recall it, children. Minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. That's all is the answer. So this is one method of subtracting the polynomials which we have already discussed. Only thing is changing the sign. Method 2 we shall learn it now. The method 2 for the same question. So as usual, after from whichever expression is given should be written first as we did in this case. So let us write. It is 12a minus 9ab plus 5ab minus 3. That is our second algebraic expression. Should be, and 4a minus 7ab plus 3b minus 12 should be subtracted from this. So what we write is minus, always write in bracket, write the first expression 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12, like this. So here we used to write one below the other. Here we are writing one beside the other within the small brackets. That is the only difference. Now here 12a, whatever the first bracket is, we shall write it as it is. Put is equal to sign 12a minus 9ab plus 5ab minus 3 as it is. Now as we did here, minus sign we applied to all the terms in the expression. So here minus to plus to minus we changed. Here what you do is, in the method 2 you just multiply the terms inside. We will multiply the terms, sign inside the bracket to all the terms. If no sign is there with plus means it is plus 4. 4 means it is plus 4. Minus into plus is minus 4a. Minus into minus plus 7ab. Minus into plus is minus 3b. Minus into minus is minus 12. So if at all, as many of you said, this method is confusing, you can go with this method. See, it doesn't mean this is the end. After doing this, you can apply this method. Look here. Here, changing of sign may be confusing for few of you. See, after we multiplied, we got minus 4a plus 7ab minus 3b minus 12. Same. Once you do this, you can go with this method and now simplify. Whichever is easy, directly if you are writing, fine, you are now going to higher classes, you should learn this. But for few problems in the beginning, for practice, you can do this. Finally, learn this method. So this is how you subtract. This is about the first question. So next one more I will solve, one you do. Third question I will be solving it for you. You have subtract 4p square cube minus 3p cube plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7p minus 10 from 18 minus 33p minus 11 cube plus 5p cube minus 2pq square plus 5p square cube. So first step is, after from whatever expression is given, from that we need to subtract the other. So let us write the second expression. It is 18 minus 3p minus 11 cube plus 5p cube minus 2pq square plus 5pq square. From this we need to subtract this first expression. So first what I will do is, I will write the expression as it is without changing the sign. That is, and one more thing children, here see, if you observe, the terms are not given same, you need to rearrange them. So first term here is 4p square cube. Where should I write? In the last, that is plus 4p square cube. Next I have minus 3p cube, so that I should write below 5p cube minus 3p cube plus 5pq square below 2pq square plus 5pq square. Next minus 8p below minus 3p plus 7p. One second. This is 7q children. Sorry. So 7q plus 7q below 11q, and last is constant, that is minus 10. So we have written it one below the other. Now our work is to change the sign. Why? Because we are subtracting. So when you apply minus sign to this whole bracket, all the sign will change. Means, see, I will not put bracket and confuse you. What we need to do, see here in the previous problem which we solved, I did change the sign of the first term. Why? Because it was with plus sign. Since I am subtracting, I directly wrote minus sign and simplified. But here term is minus 10. So what I should do is change the sign of the first term as well. Minus to plus, minus to plus, plus to minus, minus to plus, plus to minus, plus to minus. Next is subtraction. Plus 18 plus 10 is clearly plus 28. I will not write plus, it is understood. Minus 3 plus 8. I will show you here. Minus 3 plus 8 means 8 minus 3 is 5, greater number sign. So plus 5p. Minus 11 minus 7. When two numbers you have with minus sign, you will add the numbers. So 11 plus 7 is 18. Q as it is, which sign you should put? Minus sign. Plus 5 plus 3, clearly 8. PQ as it is. Minus 2 minus 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. PQ square, which sign? Minus sign. Plus 5p square cube, minus 1 plus 1 minus means subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1p square cube. Which sign is greater number sign? 5 is greater than 4. 5 is having plus sign. So this is the answer. Usually an algebraic expression means you will study about the standard form of this algebraic expression in further classes, children. Always the constant term will be in the end. Always the constant term means, see, numbers are constant. Alphabets P, Q, R, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever they are given are variables. So constant is kept in the last. But here we have got the constant first. So you can write one more step starting from here to end with 28, or you can leave it as it is. Always make practice to keep the answer in the standard form. So this is about the fourth main. Subtract the following. Second problem is there, children, which I want you to solve. This is third question. This completes the exercise 6.1. After writing the previous sessions, which all videos you received before, no, those addition and subtraction also I want you to do in the classwork. After completing that, start with exercise 6.1. All the four mains which you studied should be written neatly. After that, next we will be studying how to multiply the polynomials. After learning addition and subtraction of polynomials, next we shall learn the multiplication of the polynomials. Thank you, children.